Found an FFWP file from a desktop customization project. This is a wallpaper creation file from the Foto-Fusion design tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open and work with these Foto-Fusion wallpaper project files. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premier FFWP file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. FFWP files are wallpaper project files, created by Foto-Fusion, the photo collage and wallpaper design application. They contain desktop wallpaper layouts with positioned photos, background elements, text overlays, frame designs, and layout configurations, designed for creating personalized desktop backgrounds from multiple images. Foto-Fusion FFWP project files use a proprietary format, storing canvas dimensions, background properties, image placement coordinates, crop settings, frame overlay references, text element definitions, and layer ordering. The format references external image files and stores positioning and transformation data for each wallpaper element. The preferred application for managing the FFWP file is Lumapix Foto-Fusion from Lumapix. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows can preview some formats, but full editing requires specialized design software. Begin the search for the right application. Right-click the FFWP file and select Open With. Try Lumapix Foto-Fusion first. If it's absent, select another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If you still can't open the FFWP file, it's okay. Failure to open this FFWP file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, opening in Foto-Fusion. Launch Foto-Fusion and open the FFWP file using File, then Open Project. The wallpaper design displays with all photos, backgrounds, frames, and text elements in their arranged positions. Edit the layout by dragging photo elements, adjusting frame styles, and modifying text labels on the wallpaper canvas. Next, modifying the design. In Foto-Fusion, click on Photo Elements to reposition, resize, or replace images. Change background colors and patterns using the Background Properties panel. Adjust frame styles and add text elements to customize the wallpaper design. Ensure all referenced photos are accessible at their original file locations. Finally, exporting as wallpaper. Export the completed wallpaper from Foto-Fusion as a JPEG or PNG image at your desktop resolution using File then Export, or the Set as Wallpaper function. Choose the resolution matching your monitor display settings for crisp, full-screen wallpaper quality. Apply directly as your desktop background from within the application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.